Yeah, we are.
For the cat, you're going to use one balloon. Not 2, not 12, not 13. One balloon. I'm going to use a goldenrod, which is probably not goldenrod, because I always get that wrong. Whoops. And you're going to blow it up so that you have about a hand's length at the end. Not a giant's hand, not a midget's hand, but about 4 fingers lengthwise right there. Perfect. Now you're going to go down to the nozzle end. You're going to pinch. You're going to go 1. You're going to go 2. You're going to go 3 1-inch bubbles. And you're going to take the nozzle, you're going to twist that tightly around. You're going to make sure this knot goes on the other side of that twist. And that's going to help hold it a little nicer. And then you're going to push this knot through the center of that nostril. You're not going up the nose because it's kind of annoying for the cat, but you're going to go through the holes in between the cheeks. Then you're going to make another bubble. And I like to grab this nozzle because, well, I'm OCD as all get out. So I'm going to grab that nozzle and grab that bubble, twist them around each other, and that becomes the tongue of the cat and the bottom lip, as well as the 2 side pieces and the nose right in the center. So the next thing is going to be the side of the head, which is about a 3 or 4 finger bubble, followed by another single 1-inch bubble with an ear twist, followed by about 1.5 inches, followed by another 1-inch bubble with an ear twist, followed by the other side of the head, which is going to be about the same size. Now, a lot of times people try to twist this all together. It becomes kind of crazy and obscenely difficult. So what I like to do is I like to lay the knot on the face and rotate this balloon, and I can actually twist it. Just twist this around in circles, and it'll twist itself. So when I put it in here and twist it all together, actually twisting it and rolling the balloon the correct way, it makes it so much easier, less likely to pop, and all kinds of stuff. So that's really cool. Now the way you finish off a cat is with a dog. That was a bad joke. But anyway, we're going to do that with a couple of legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not 8 legs, but just 8 seconds. And by seconds, I mean however long it takes me to count. And that's going to be our basic kitty cat. And we're going to finish that off with a couple of eyes. We're going to stab in the eye with a Sharpie. And by stab, I mean draw cute little amazing eyes. And by cute little amazing eyes, I mean dots, dashes, and semicircles. You can follow that with some whiskers. And by whiskers, I mean giant globs of black on its nose. And there is your kitty cat.